Holidays with Katie's family were very, very special. I got more gifts than I ever expected. So today I decided to thank them by cooking their favorite Indian food. Pani puri. So very good morning everyone once again from Ohio. And aaj plan hai we're gonna do some Indian grocery because tomorrow I'm gonna be cooking Indian food for the first time. American family will be trying it out. I'm so excited. Oh my god, कभी सोचा नहीं था कि Ohio में भी shorts पहनने का मौका मिलेगा. This is crazy. It's all because of heat waves that are passing all around the US, which has made the temperature warmer. Look, what does this mean? I'm not gay, but $20 is $20. This is crazy. What does this mean?
No idea.
Okay. So done with an amazing workout, and I was so shocked that Ohio ke gym mein I found a 60-year-old doing bench press heavier than me. I was really impressed. Kroger is very crowded today. So in terms of Indian food, I'm gonna make butter chicken जो हमेशा बनाता हूँ, and Kroger से I'll get the chicken and spices Indian sourcing. दिक्कत सिर्फ एक ही है. There's only one problem that they don't have green chilies that we use. These are very different. These are jalapeno and पता नहीं इनके नाम भी कभी सुने नहीं है. So that's why we'll have to go to an Indian grocery store. Fresh धनिया भी ले लेते हैं. Even though I'm wasting time, I don't want to be dragging bananas. 4 pounds of replace your bananas. Accent is cool.
The accent?
Yeah. यकीन नहीं होता कि Patel Brothers is everywhere. It's in Ohio as well, but this store is much smaller than Atlanta.
Yeah, Atlanta is like super cool.
So basically Atlanta has bigger Desi community, so is Karen. And do you know what we're getting in terms of Indian food?
Chawal or rotis.
Chawal or rotis, that's right. And what is sweets in Hindi? Let's see. Or Punjabi?
Mitaya.
Close.
Mithai.
Yes, awesome. So we're getting pani puri just for fun, and it's only $4. And इसे कहते हैं English में Indian watery bread. लंबी वाली chili खत्म है, so we're gonna get the small one, Thai chili.
Not many people left.
Yeah, they're very small. Luckily we found it in the red ones. And you guys will not believe that I have 5 US credit cards, but none of them give me 5% cashback except Zol's credit card. Zol's credit card is so amazing. It's actually a blessing because on that you can choose 5 brands where you can get flat 5% cashback. I've also selected Amazon. When I ordered Christmas gifts from Amazon, I got 5% cashback as well. And not just this, Zol solves all the financial problems immigrants have while moving from India to US, such as bank account लेना. US bank account आप घर बैठे बैठे ले सकते हो. You can order US credit card घर बैठे बैठे, and you can build your credit history the moment you land in US. You can have high credit limit, and that also without a social security number. And इसके अलावा आप fast remittances कर सकते हो. कई बार आपको इंडिया से US फीस भेजनी होती है. You can do that immediately, super fast from India to US with Zolve as well. What else you can ask for? And इसके अलावा Zolve has 0 annual fees, 0% APR for the 6 months, ताकि आप अपनी US credit history फर्स्ट डे से ही डेवलप कर पाओ, एंड आपको क्रेडिट कार्ड बिल की भी इतना चिंता ना करना पड़े.
So would you recommend Zolve to somebody about to move to the US?
Yes, I'll highly recommend to all the working professionals or the students who are coming in spring 2022 or later, because you can apply for it super fast with the link in the description below, and you can get $50 referral bonus as well. Because if you want to keep earning money through Zolve as well, recommend to your friends. You'll get $50 and their friends will get $50 in their referral account upon activation as well. So definitely try it out.
The next day.
Now it's finally time to cook butter chicken and pani puri.
Yeah.
My eyes.
Your eye is frozen? How do you say cry?
Rona.
Rona?
Yeah.
Like Corona? Corona makes me Rona.
Yeah. And unfortunately I don't have a pressure cooker here, but I think this should be enough. This is so huge. मैं पंजाब से मतलब अटलांटा से लेके आना भूल गया. Adding the minced ginger and garlic first, ताकि taste aa jaye. And yeah, you can cut the capsicum or bell pepper, whatever you want to call it. And okay. Chicken is ready. Yeah, let's quickly. So tomatoes के लिए ये use कर सकते हैं. We can use this for tomatoes. काफी multitasking हो रही है.
Thank you.
Yeah, and okay, so she's doing the tomatoes, and I luckily brought masala from home in Atlanta. So इसमें है jeera, haldi, turmeric powder, so everything going into this. Come on, please don't judge me. Trust me, मैंने अपूर से हाथ practice की थी, so don't judge me. It should be fine. लगता है chicken masala भी साथ में ही चलेगा. Now time for the onions and capsicum or bell pepper.
Are you gonna start a cooking channel?
I'll be the center of attention like I was some kind of astronaut. Cause I'm shooting for the moon tonight and
This is a workshop right now, Sarah.
Yeah, this is like, there's a lot happening.
Factory.
Dad, too.
Yeah. Well, you know what? You've been working so hard the past few days. It's nice that you.
And I just realized I forgot about the green chilies.
feeling I'm gonna crash some
Okay. 5 chilies. Late, but never too late.
Can I pour them in?
The tomatoes, yeah, I think it's golden enough. Yeah. I'm not sure if they're cooked. Let's wait for 30 more seconds.
Okay.
Yeah. Just doubtful. Okay, now time to put tomatoes. Whoa.
It was fun.
Yeah. Oh,
Oh gosh. It's fun to use the food processor.
yeah. Okay, yeah, they were golden.
Yeah, a beet. Blend. Yeah,
Blend.
chop. Grind.
Yeah, blend the capsicum as well. Okay.
Oh, they do have chickpeas.
Chickpeas in the pani puri masala.
Yeah, chana.
Yeah, you can do the pani puri, I can do the chicken. Oh, it's pretty clear. Yeah. Yeah, we have to cook this now for 2 to 3 minutes.
What's bundi?
Bundi. Okay, so bundi, it's, I think pronunciation is wrong. So bundi is, I think, chickpeas.
Do you know?
Yeah.
Oh,
I'm
okay.
pretty sure.
You're pretty sure? I
Yeah.
thought chickpeas were chana.
But I think in pani puri context. In game.
Dora?
tear the ceiling down in front of
It
everybody.
looks so amazing now. I think this is the best in terms of texture I've made. Oh.
If someone's pouring
So time for Katie to approve. Can you please taste and approve?
Okay.
I'm nervous. Don't worry. It's good. And Apoor के साथ मैंने practice की थी, so thanks to Apoor as well.
Do you think Apoor would approve?
Yeah, Apoor will approve. Yeah.
That's hard to say.
Okay, using frozen rotis, unfortunately.
Rotis?
Rotis.
Rotis.
Yeah.
They're frozen rotis.
Yes.
I'm calling shot
Oh, it's Yay!
I'll eat that one.
It's time. Yeah, placemats are also Christmassy. Just realized.
find a crown so I can put it on
Yeah, for pani puri it's gonna be complicated. You have to make on your own. So
You gotta show first.
yeah.
The bundi isn't chana.
No, it's not. Have you ever had pani puri before? Oh.
I have not.
Yeah, I did. I hadn't heard of it before.
Oh. So you can break it with your hand and then use spoon to put some of this.
What's that? Corn?
Yeah, what is all
It's
of
a
this?
chickpea flour.
Okay.
And you have a bowl. This is yours.
Okay.
So you use this
So what's this?
and then
It's just like it's water with different spices and then also a mango paste in there.
yeah.
Is
and
it cold?
Yeah, it's cold.
Okay.
So you dip it in and then put the whole thing in your mouth.
I was an idiot the first time and I bit it in half and it all just gushed down my face. So yeah.
Is this like the appetizer?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is the appetizer. Oh, this one's already broken. You want
It's gonna
that?
happen colder. Let me bring ice.
It's kind of spicy, the water.
Oh,
so-
it is? Oh, I did one kind of full.
Yeah.
So you can put
That was probably too much.
Yeah.
you can put some ice.
Good. Pretty good.
In
It was a big bite. Yeah, that's interesting.
So I guess at home they make these little balls like from scratch and everything.
These?
Yeah.
yeah,
One day we'll have to find a recipe for chili chicken. Who knew her? That's the best. It's like kind of like General Tso's or Kung Pao chicken, but like just imagine that but with more like Indian spices. Like it's like directly Chinese inspired.
Sounds good.
What's this called? This
pani puri.
panipuri?
Pani puri.
Panipuri?
Yes.
Pani puri.
Pani puri. Yeah.
And so for the butter chicken,
Yeah.
instead of rice, we have rotis, which are literally
Right.
just flat bread. And so the traditional way to eat it is to rip off a piece of the bread
And
like,
dip it? Oh,
or just
that.
like use it instead of utensils, you know.
Very good. Thank you.
I tell him I got that from your dad. Dad.
Very good.
Thank you. Yeah, take a bite and then pick up the chicken.
Okay. Yeah, I like it in the roti.
So this is a lot healthier than the like traditional restaurant butter chicken.
They put too much oil. Yeah, sometimes.
It's like
Yeah, a lot of butter.
yeah, it's like what, like a fifth of the like butter that they put in the yeah.
Yeah.